Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer option on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Developer mode on Xiaomi Hyper OS access your advanced settings and debugging tools that are not regular Xiaomi setting menu. To enable developer option in Xiaomi Hyper OS, you need to first open your settings on your Xiaomi mobile phone. Now here you can see About Phone option on the top. Tap on About Phone option. Then here you can see Detailed Info and Specs option. Tap on Detailed Info and Specs option. Now here you can see MIUI version option. On the right side, you need to tap on the given box for at least 7 times. Tap until you see that you are now a developer option on the down. With this, now your developer mode will be enabled. Now you can go back to your settings on your mobile phone. Then scroll to the very bottom and then you can see Additional Settings option. Tap on Additional Settings option. With this, now here you need to again scroll down. Then you can see Developer Options. Tap on Developer Options. Now you need to make sure that you have turned on the toggle next to Developer Options. After this, now you will be able to use your developer mode on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Then you can access advanced settings of your Xiaomi mobile phone. This is how we can enable developer option in Xiaomi Hyper OS. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.